Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, for the first you have to open the settings, then click on the connections, go right here for the more connection settings and enter printing. Use the default print service, and right now our smartphone is looking for the available printers. And in our office we can find the HP Color LaserJet Pro printer, and if you want to print something, you have to go for that thing, and I will go for that picture, for example. Click here, tap on the print, click on the select the printer, and of course you have to select the printer that you are using. And right now just click on this printer icon to print the thing that you want. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.